10 Ways to Create Financial Discipline. Welcome to our latest video. Are you looking to master financial discipline? In this video, we reveal the top 10 strategies to create a solid foundation for your financial success. Get ready to dive into practical tips that will transform your financial habits and empower you on your journey towards financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Getting the basics down. Organize all your financial documents. Create a file folder or a cabinet or box with sections for all your expenses, insurance, assets, income and liabilities. You could label the folders this way: house/apartment, income, insurance, medical, vehicle, utilities, taxes. 2. In each folder put everything associated with the category. For example, under house/apartment, you would keep mortgage or lease/rent documents. Under utilities, you'd file gas/electricity, water, sewage, TV/internet, and phone bills. Note everything you spend on entertainment, groceries, and gas. 3. Determine how much you spend in each category. Some expenses are unavoidable, such as mortgage/rent and utilities. However, you could reduce your monthly expenses in other categories by first determining how much you spend there and how much is absolutely necessary. 4. Create a balance sheet with all your income in one column and all your expenses in another. Do this for at least 3 months to determine a pattern. By doing this you get an idea of how often you eat out and how much you spend on movies or other entertainment. You'll begin to see where you might be able to reduce costs. 5. Set goals. Write down everything you want to accomplish. Include estimates of how much your goals will cost and how long before you achieve them. For example, buy a house, $200,000 with a 5% down payment. Save $10,000 by June 2020. This will give you an idea of how much you need to save to reach your goals. 6. Once you've identified your goals, determine which are short-range goals, within 5 years, and determine how much you will need to put aside every month to reach them. Let's say you want to buy a $30,000 car. You can take out a loan for $30,000 that you will need to pay back in 3 years. You will have monthly costs, not taking interest into account, of approximately $833. 7. Save as much as possible for a down payment. This will reduce the amount of the loan and the interest you'll pay on it. Be realistic in setting money aside, because you'll have to continue meeting your living expenses. 8. Ask your payroll department to deposit a certain amount from your paychecks into whatever retirement account your employer offers. By paying yourself first in this way, you can save money for retirement without even seeing it, and being tempted to spend it. Spend only a part of what's left in each paycheck. Try to save as much of what remains as you can. You may find it hard to maximize your savings, but as you near retirement, you will be very glad you did. 9. Deposit some money into a savings account for emergency purposes. Try to maintain an emergency fund consisting of roughly 6 months' worth of normal expenses. This will help cover costs should you lose your job or become temporarily incapacitated. 10. Find ways to reduce costs. Using a budget will help. Here are some examples. Watch matinee movies instead of higher-priced evening showings. Eat out once or twice a month rather than once or twice a week. Make your own coffee and take it to work or school rather than stopping by a coffee stand on your way. Leave your credit cards home when going shopping. If you're determined to use a card, pick one with a generous rewards program. Don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry. You may buy more than you need at such times. In conclusion, cultivating financial discipline is crucial for a secure future. By implementing the 10 strategies we've discussed, you can take control of your finances and build a foundation for success. Remember, small changes lead to significant outcomes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on financial well-being. Join our community and embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom. Together, we can create a brighter and more prosperous future. Subscribe now and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.